Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I like the little amp lift, man. That's a good idea. Yes, sir. What's your amp rated at? 600 watts? You know?
That one back there, 1,000, but it looks now maybe like 800.
800 watts. Okay. Yep. What subs were they?
Orion XTR.
XTR. Okay.
Push about 1,800 a piece.
Yes, sir.
Maximum. 4 speakers. I got 400 watts on each one.
Okay. Oh, so you have a 4-channel amp?
2-channel.
2-channel. Where's that at? Is it kind of hidden?
Yeah.
Nice. That's all right. It's all right, man. I like to check it all out. Is there LEDs under the amp?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I like that. Nice work, man. Sweet. And then the box is do you know the tuning of it?
I do not. I had a buddy tune it for me.
You did? Okay. All right. Awesome. Thank you. Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate the demo. Thanks for showing me. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.